Next up, we're going to be doing the knee press up. So for this one, similar to the box press up, except for this time, we want our torso, our hips and our thighs to be in line. If you do find this is a bit of pressure on your knees, use a cushion, just to help ease your knees a little bit. You can effectively start in a box position and then walk your hands out until your knees, torso and thigh all end up in line. And then what we're going to do is do a press up from this position. So remember, keeping the elbows in, breathe out as you push. Keeping the core engaged, squeeze your bum cheeks together. And there you have the knee press up. We can make this a little bit harder if we want, is lift the feet up off the floor, and the closer they get to your bum, the harder this will get. So it puts more weight over the pivot point as you press. To make that slightly easier, put the feet further back. When the feet are further back, they kind of act as a counterbalance. And there you have the knee press up.